Hello there, my friends. So I had a question. I switched out this camera right here. Does not like the cold, and it is freezing right now. It's like 1 degree outside. So I got a new camera for my wife's car, and this is an AZDOME, and I put it in my car, and I wanted to see if the backup camera would work with it, and it does. So this plugged in right here is the backup camera that came with this old different brand. I'll put the description in the comments. I can't remember the name of the brand offhand, but this AZDOME works with that, so I did not have to dismount my rear view camera in order to use this. So that's something somebody might, not want to do, especially if they have it externally mounted. Mine's mounted with 2-way tape, and I don't want to have to mess with that in this cold. But yeah, so I just plugged it in, and it takes the signal, and it actually even does playback. So I already checked it. So the answer is yes. I in this instance was able to use my backup camera intermittently with this different brand dash cam. So I hope this answered a good question for you. If it helped you, press like please, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Have a great day.